Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today we will unlock the new features on Instagram application, especially in Instagram story. Today I will like to show you the way how you can add the hashtags to your Instagram story. It could be helping you to organized your Instagram content so that you will got a new engagement, increasing the performance of your account. So open your Instagram application, swipe it right away into your right side, and you will have an access to the Instagram story. Now you just need to pick the picture that you want to use here. Now take a look on this top side. There will be this small icon. Just tap it. So to add the hashtag, there will be like a hashtag options here. Just go tap it again. Now you just need to type the hashtags that you want to add. So I add my favorite idols, Korean idols here, and I'll let you just tap his names, and there'll be like a pop-up some suggestions here, and then you just need to pick the best hashtag that you want to have. And right after that, place them into the specific area that you want to place the hashtags, and then you just need to upload it into your story. That's so simple and easy. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.